Okay, so for this screencast, I'm basically going to be explaining a Logger Pro and Tracker and how to get your position versus time graph and what it means. So first of all, you open up your video in Tracker, and you want to make sure you have a calibration stick. You have something measured. I measured the length of one of these um, wooden things on the floor, and then I also made sure that I did my best. At least it's hard because not every car goes like perfectly straight anyways, but you try to match up the, I don't know what this is called, but you try to make sure that this is going in the same way that your car is, and then you would also create your mass, you'd also create your mass, control, control alt and click on where you want it to track, and yeah, and then just click track, and there you go. And I got this graph, and it did a pretty good job, so I didn't change anything really. But yeah, see, that's what you get, and it gives me this graph right here, which I'm going to recreate in Logger Pro, and all this data. So basically, I don't need any of this Y data because I'm only looking at its movement in the X direction. So I would take the T's for time, and this is in seconds, and my X is in centimeters because I made this calibration stick in centimeters, 9 centimeters. So I copy that data and I put it right here in position and time. So after I put that in, I get this graph right here, and this is a curved graph. So what this really means is that my mousetrap, it's accelerating and decelerating. It's not exactly moving with a constant velocity anywhere. That's where the whole thing is curved. Another thing that makes sense is, well, we needed to have a video of it speeding up and slowing down, and you could say, oh, this all looks kind of like one curve, how is it speeding up and slowing down? Well, over here it's kind of curved up, and that's because right here it's speeding up for like a short amount of time, and then after that it spends like most of its time like over here all slowing down, because as you can see, the slope of the graph gets closer and closer to 0. Now this is just based off of the position and time graph, and I also graphed velocity and time just to show it more clearly. See, as you can tell, like I said, over here it's speeding up, and then around here it just starts to slow down. So yeah, originally when I looked at the video, I thought it was I thought it took more time speeding up than slowing down, but actually looking at the graph, it makes more sense, and logically that it would speed up for a short amount of time and then slow down over time. So, but yeah, so basically, even without that graph, we can understand the position and time graph just by looking at the curve of it. And that's it.